Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to change location on Facebook Marketplace. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Facebook homepage. Now on the left you can see here is Marketplace. Just click on this and over here under this filter you can see here is location. Now to change this location, first of all, click on this location and over here you can search for location. Now I want to change this to New York. You can see here is New York. Just click on this and after that you can choose radius. I'll go with this 2 miles and after that just click on this apply. And now you can see location is changed on this Facebook Marketplace. So in this simple way, we can change location on Facebook Marketplace. Also, if you wanna change again, you can just click over here and change from here. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.